Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to check watch history on Facebook. First thing first, launch the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Now scroll down to your information section, then tap Activity Log to view all your actions on Facebook. In the Activity Log, tap Category, then select Logged Actions and Other Activity to narrow down the type of activities displayed. You will now see a detailed timeline showing videos you've watched, login and logout activity, pages you followed or unfollowed, or search history and more. Use these filters in the activity log to focus on a specific type of activity like videos or searches, making it easier to manage or delete entries. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.